Hey, what is up everyone, IS here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit the black tone using Lightroom mobile, and on the end of this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn the black tone into teal using a really simple trick. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, first download the preset from the description link, and after downloaded it, add the preset. Here's my preset is added, and click on it. Now guys, this is not a tutorial video that I'm showing you step by step, but let me show you all the setting really quick. Okay, here's the light panel. I did this, bring up the exposure, bring down the highlight, bring up the white, and bring down the black. You can do manually by seeing this. Now go to the color. Here you can see I bring up the temperature and increase the tint, and I bring down the saturation as well the vibrance. Now the mix, as you can see what I did to all the color. You can open the preset and watch this manually by yourself by go to this color, and you can see okay. Now I'm gonna show you the effect panel. Okay, I bring up the DH and bring down the vicinity to create a model look. Here's the settings. Here's the settings of detail, and I increase the sharpening, noise reduction, as well the color noise reduction, and finally I did the S curve to create the contrast and the faded look to the shadow as well to the white. And I didn't touch the other three curves, as you can see. Okay, now click on the three dot and then copy settings, click done. Okay, I'm gonna paste it to this photo, paste settings. Okay guys, now I'm gonna paste the settings to all the photos real quick that I've added, so enjoy. Okay guys, now I will show you how you can turn the black tone into teal. So first go to light panel and then open curve. Now I'm going to rotate my device. Okay, now I'm going to select the red. Now move the black of red towards right hand side as I'm showing you guys, like this. Now select green and also move the black of green to right hand side a little bit. Okay, also the blue one. Okay, like this, really simple. Okay, now I'm gonna copy these settings. Okay guys, now I'm gonna paste these settings into this photo which already has the black tone on it. As you can see guys, the black tone turned into teal. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then don't forget to like this video, share with a friend and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.